120 divided by 12. Here 12 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 12. 12 times 0, 0, 12 times 1, 12, 12 times 2, 24, 12 times 3, 36, 12 times 4, 48, 12 times 5, 60. Look, to find out the multiplication table of 12, just add 12 with the previous step. 0 plus 12, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 12, 36, 36 plus 12, 48, like this, right? 12 goes into 12 how many times? 1 times. Consider this 12, right? 1 times. So 1 times 12. Since we are considering one's tens place number 2, so quotient will come over the tens place digit. So 1 times 12, 12. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. 0, 0 means 0. So 12 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times, right? 0. 0 times 12, 0. Subtract, your remainder is 0. Since your remainder 0, we are done. So our answer is 10.